Friends, you know that it is very important for us to protect ourselves from the sun because sun contains UV rays which can be harmful for our skin. So the most important factor for it is sunscreen lotion. So role of sunscreen is very important for our beauty regime. So scarcity of sun is the scarcity of infrared rays. It means the warmth has reduced. So ultraviolet rays A and B are present in the sun, which can actually damage our skin to a great extent. So why should we wear sunscreen? What is the importance of sunscreen? The first thing is it shields us from harmful UV rays. The continuously depleting ozone layer has put us at a higher risk of getting affected from the harmful rays of the sun. Second is that it prevents premature aging. All of us love to have younger, radiant looking skin, and sunscreen lotions prevents aging. Third is it lowers the risk of cancer. Skin cancer is very prevalent nowadays. Using sunscreen lotion can lower the risks of cancer to a great extent. It lowers blotchiness on the face. So please use sunscreen and protect yourself thoroughly.